U.S. stocks, they continue to rise Wednesday afternoon, this time lifted by an upbeat jobless claims report, and therefore leading the way for both the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 to hit fresh record highs. But first, on the U.S. economic front, weekly jobless claims, they declined 42,000 to a seasonally adjusted 346,000. This while import prices fell in March as weak gasoline costs offset a rise in food. Meanwhile, shares of major tech companies including Microsoft, Hewlett-Packard and Intel all took a dive. This after market research firm IDC said that worldwide shipments of personal computers fell 13.9% in the first quarter, its biggest drop since the firm began issuing its numbers back in 1994. And with oil prices down 1.25%, gold up 1.4%, and the euro slightly higher against the dollar, it looked to be yet another session of a strong finish for the big board. Speaking of which, taking a look now to see how the Dow Jones has closed out today's trading session. The Dow is indeed on the upside, 62.90 points to settle in at 14,865.14. In a breakdown of today's major market movers, we first begin with shares of JCPenney, which was on the upside. This after three more top executives at the company parted ways. This also following the exodus of Chief Executive Ron Johnson. And lastly, amongst earnings, Rite Aid, that surged after the pharmacy company posted its second consecutive quarterly profit as the company filled more prescriptions and sold more generic drugs.